Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best truffles. Begin by finely chopping your preferred high-quality chocolate. Gently heat heavy cream until it just simmers, then pour it over the chopped chocolate. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until smooth and glossy. This foundational step is crucial for a luxurious texture. Now let's infuse some delightful flavors. Once your ganache is smooth, stir in your chosen extracts, liqueurs, or even a pinch of sea salt. For a unique twist, try steeping herbs or spices in the warm cream before straining. After flavoring, cover the ganache and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or until firm enough to handle. It's time to shape your delicious truffles. Using a small scoop or spoon, portion out the firm ganache. Quickly roll each portion between your palms into smooth 1-inch balls. Work efficiently to prevent the ganache from melting too much. For coating, roll them in sifted cocoa powder, finely chopped nuts, or even melted tempered chocolate for a crisp shell. Almost there. Once coated, let your truffles set completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator. This ensures the coating adheres properly. Store your finished truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. For the best flavor and texture, allow them to come to room temperature for about 15 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade delights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.